Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fragile resin in Genshin Impact. While you can't craft fragile resin directly, understanding its acquisition is key. This valuable item restores 60 original resin, which is essential for farming materials, artifacts, and character experience. Knowing how to get it efficiently will significantly boost your in-game progress and help you maximize your daily activities. The primary way to acquire fragile resin is by increasing your adventure rank. As you level up, the game rewards you with this precious resource. Additionally, completing the Battle Pass, both free and paid tiers, often grants fragile resin. Keep an eye on limited-time events too, as they frequently offer fragile resin as a completion reward, so always participate when possible. When you have fragile resin, use it strategically. It's best spent on activities that yield high-value rewards, such as ley line outcrops for Mora or character experience books. Challenging weekly bosses and world bosses also consume original resin, and using fragile resin here can accelerate your character development. For long-term gains, prioritize domains to farm for powerful artifacts. To truly maximize your resin efficiency, always plan your daily activities. Decide what you need most, whether it's character ascension materials, weapon upgrade items, or artifacts, and spend your original resin accordingly. Crucially, avoid letting your original resin cap out at 160, as this means you're losing potential regeneration. Make sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience while you wait for your resin to regenerate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.